Welcome back, creatives. Today we will embark on a new journey. We will begin our brand design series with a magical first step, creating a stylescape. Think of this as a vision board for your brand, bringing colors, textures, and inspiration together to tell a visual story. In this episode, we're designing a stylescape for a gather and grow, a farm-to-fork restaurant that blends rustic charm with modern sophistication. Let's bring this vision to life. A stylescape is more than just a mood board. While mood boards are broad and abstract, a stylescape is a polished, intentional collection of images, typography, textures, and color palettes that create a cohesive visual direction for a brand. It's like a sneak peek into the brand's personality before the full identity takes shape. Before we design, we need to define. Gather and Grow is all about farm-fresh ingredients, sustainability, and a warm community feel. The style should be inviting, organic, and timeless. Something that feels like home but elevated. So, let's open up Photoshop. We'll start by dragging some images that we've gathered for inspiration onto the canvas. Since we're going for farm to fork, one of our brand colors has to be green for fresh, natural ingredients. Now we need a focus shot. This will serve as our target audience. So it's time to finish building our color palette. And again, we're focusing on natural and earthy tones. A color palette, which is made up of earthy greens, warm wood tones, creamy neutrals, and a pop of deep harvest colors. Strategically place the images to make it as artful as we can. Then add some textures like linen napkins. We want everything to be cohesive, so let's change the color of this linen. Imagery should show fresh produce, cozy dining experiences, handcrafted dishes, and rustic farm scenery. We want the brand to have a more welcoming and community feel, so handwritten elements should be able to do that for us. We'll add some more brand elements like uniforms and stationery. Next, our typography choices. Think soft, handwritten elements combined with structured, classic fonts. And we'll just finish by adding any finishing touches. And there you have it, a complete stylescape for gathering growth. This visual foundation will guide every brand decision moving forward. In the next episode, we'll refine this into a logo, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And see you in part 2.